So I gave my 2 weeks notice toward the end of my sabbatical, and I didn't need to dip into that savings for 2 years. So my sheer paranoia and motivation not to prove everybody wrong who said I was an idiot to leave just got me through the first 2 years. But surely enough, that type of motivation to earn is going to fizzle out because it's more running away from fear rather than running towards something that's more of a magnet. But I think at that time, it was the right move for me. And I also was ready for a simpler career setup. And also, I wanted to have a bigger impact. So I knew that at that time, I could impact about 33,000 Googlers by working internally in people operations. And I just wondered what would be possible if I could speak out to the world. And Google is still a client to this day, and they have been for 10 years. So I love Google. They're still like, I call them, it's like my
Wow.
corporate alma mater. Like so much in my life to this day is thanks to Google.